You've created your YouTube channel. Congratulations. But now you are stuck. How do you upload your first YouTube video? Uploading YouTube videos is not just about clicking upload. There are steps that you need to follow. You have to consider steps like descriptions, titles, attributes, tags, etc. etc. Hi, I'm Edna, and on this channel, I show you simple practical ways to grow online and make your digital life easier. In this video, I'll walk you through the process of uploading your videos correctly so it looks professional and optimized for growth. Let's dive in. So click on your YouTube app. Go ahead and click your picture at the bottom right of your screen. Click on switch account to select the accounts that you want to use. Else you leave it at your current account. Click on view channel. Then you click on create. If you're promoting a short video, you click on that short. If you're promoting a long video, click on long and select the video that you want. Go ahead and click next. Now we have our video. Click on the pencil icon to select a thumbnail. As you can see, it's prompting us to verify our channel. So because your channel is new, that's why you are doing this verification. So I selected, you enter your phone number and then you select text or call me. Go ahead and click next. A 6-digit verification code will be sent to your phone. You're going to enter it here. Phone number verified. So go back and click the pencil icon to add a thumbnail. After adding the thumbnail, click done. As you can see, the thumbnail has been added for you. So the next thing you do now is to add a title for your video. Now it's time to add a description. So describe what your video is all about. The next thing you do now is to select your audience. No, it is not meant for kids. Click on location and type your country. The next thing you do now is to enter tags related to the video. So you click on attributes and enter all the tags that are relevant to this particular video. Now click on upload and allow the video to load. It must reach 100%. Give it time to process. As you can see, now your video is ready to be watched by people on YouTube. Click on your video and you should be able to watch it on YouTube directly. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video with your friends, and also comment if you have any questions. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.